Welcome! Today, we're diving into the best video doorbell for home security. Protect your loved ones and monitor visitors effortlessly with cutting-edge features, crystal-clear video, and easy installation. Let's find the perfect video doorbell for your home. Number 1. Ring Video Doorbell. The Ring Video Doorbell Battery Doorbell Plus stands out as a premium option for anyone looking to upgrade home security with comprehensive video coverage and smart features. One of its strongest points is the head-to-toe HD Plus video, which provides an expanded field of view so you can see visitors from head to toe, a feature that gives you much more context than typical doorbells. This is especially useful for identifying package deliveries or unexpected guests. The doorbell also shines in low light conditions with color night vision, allowing you to see what's happening at your door in vivid color even after dark. Motion detection is smartly enhanced with privacy zones, so you can customize which areas trigger alerts, reducing unnecessary notifications. A key subscription feature is the Person Package Alerts, which sends notifications when a person or package is detected in a designated area, giving peace of mind for package security. The device is powered by a quick-release battery pack, making recharging fast and hassle-free without needing to remove the entire doorbell. Installation is straightforward, with an easy setup through the Ring app connecting to Wi-Fi and mounting tools included for hassle-free installation. Video recordings can be saved and accessed for up to 180 days with a Ring Home subscription, letting users review footage anytime, which is essential for evidence or peace of mind. Integrations with Alexa add convenience, enabling you to hear motion alerts on Echo devices and view live video on Echo Show, Fire TV, or Fire Tablet. You can even talk to visitors hands-free by commanding Alexa, making interaction effortless. Overall, the Ring Video Doorbell Battery Doorbell Plus combines excellent video quality, smart alerts, and a user-friendly setup that fits well in modern smart homes looking to enhance front door security. Number 2. Ring Bronze Video Doorbell. The Ring Bronze Video Doorbell offers a solid upgrade for those seeking enhanced vertical video coverage with head-to-toe video, providing 66% more vertical viewing area than previous models. This feature ensures you can see everything happening from the top of a visitor's head down to the ground, which is very useful for spotting packages or people clearly. Unlike some models with removable batteries, the Bronze includes a built-in battery recharged conveniently via a USB port. Just detach the doorbell from the wall and plug it in, making recharging easy without extra equipment. The installation process is quick and straightforward, with the doorbell snapping into place and connecting seamlessly through your smartphone via the Ring app. Once installed, you gain access to live view and two-way talk, enabling real-time interaction with visitors. The device sends motion alerts directly to your phone, helping you stay informed of activity at your doorstep. With a Ring Home subscription, you can unlock smart alerts that differentiate between people and packages, enhancing security by cutting down on false alarms. The subscription also enables 24/7 recording on eligible cameras and the ability to review missed footage, a helpful feature for thorough monitoring. Alexa integration further enriches the experience by allowing custom notifications on Echo devices, live video launches on Echo Show, and hands-free monitoring, making the system more intuitive and accessible. The Ring Bronze strikes a balance between convenience, video quality, and smart features, making it a reliable and versatile choice for homeowners wanting upgraded security without complicated setups or maintenance. Number 3. Blink Video Doorbell. The Blink Video Doorbell offers an impressive blend of long battery life, solid video quality, and easy installation, making it a great option for users seeking a budget-friendly yet effective smart doorbell. Featuring 1080p HD video with infrared night vision, the Blink doorbell allows you to monitor your doorstep clearly at all times of day. The standout feature is its battery life, lasting up to 2 years on 2 included AA lithium batteries, which is exceptionally long compared to many competitors and means less hassle with frequent recharging. This doorbell supports two-way audio, letting you communicate with visitors or delivery personnel remotely through the smartphone app. It provides customizable alerts and privacy settings, so you only get notifications that matter, enhancing user control and reducing false alarms. Storage options are flexible. You can save clips locally using the included Sync Module 2 and an external USB drive, or choose cloud storage with a free 30-day trial of the Blink subscription plan. This allows users to pick the most convenient way to store and review footage. The Blink doorbell is designed for easy installation and can connect to existing doorbell wiring to activate your home's in-chime, or alternatively use the Blink Mini or Mini 2 indoor chime without wiring. This flexibility suits a wide range of homes. Integration with Alexa lets you receive alerts and respond through voice commands, enhancing hands-free convenience. The package includes the video doorbell, sync module 2, and mounting kit, making it a complete out-of-the-box solution. Number 4. Aosu Wireless Doorbell Camera. The Aosu wireless doorbell camera delivers remarkable image clarity and extended battery performance, making it a compelling option for homeowners who value detailed visuals and long-term usage. Equipped with a 5MP UHD camera, it boasts a 40% improvement from 2K resolution achieved through an advanced 7-piece ultra-clear optical glass lens system that ensures crisp, sharp images in a variety of lighting conditions, whether bright daylight or dim nighttime settings. Its triple motion detection system combines radar and PIR sensors with intelligent human detection technology, effectively distinguishing between people, animals, and other moving objects, which helps to eliminate false alerts that can be a nuisance with other devices. The camera's 166-degree field of view captures visitors from head to toe and packages left on the ground without blind spots, giving users a comprehensive look at the doorstep. The device supports 60 days of loop recording, storing videos directly on the home base's built-in 8GB memory, so no monthly subscription fees are necessary. Setting up the Aosu camera is convenient, and the no-subscription model is appealing for budget-conscious buyers who want reliable video doorbell features without extra costs. With such a combination of clarity, battery life, and intelligent motion detection, the Aosu wireless doorbell camera provides robust security coverage with minimal fuss. Number 5. Botslab Video Doorbell. The Botslab Video Doorbell impresses with its combination of high-resolution imaging, extended battery life, and an attractive no-subscription model, making it an excellent choice for those seeking comprehensive security without recurring fees. Featuring a 5MP HD fisheye lens, this wireless doorbell provides a stunning 360-degree panoramic view that captures everything around your doorstep, from packages on the ground to visitors' faces, eliminating blind spots. The ability to switch between 4 viewing modes adds flexibility, letting you focus on specific areas as needed. One of the standout benefits is the built-in 32GB storage, which means all detection videos are saved locally with no cloud fees or hidden costs, a significant advantage for budget-conscious users. The device's powerful 6400 mAh battery delivers up to 210 days of usage on a single charge, reducing the hassle of frequent recharging. Overall, the Botslab Video Doorbell combines advanced technology, impressive battery life, and user-friendly features into a cost-effective, reliable home security solution. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.